Okay, question number 13. If the parent function of f of x is p of x equals x squared, so whenever I say parent function, I mean that this is my original. So I'm saying that p of x equals x squared is my original function. Then the graph of the function f of x equals x minus k squared plus 5, where k is greater than 0, would be a shift of blank. So let's just go over a few things before you even look at this question, if you want to do this based off your memory instead of using this calculator. Whenever you have something along these lines, we're dealing with a phase shift. So if I'm dealing with the inside of my parentheses and I have a positive, that's a shift left. If I have a minus, that's a shift right. Now, when I look at the outside of my parentheses, that's telling me if it's a shift up or a shift down. If it's a positive, that's a shift up. And if that's a minus, that's a shift down. Also, if you have a negative sign in front of your parabola, that's a flip or reflection. So let's look at what's going on. So if I'm saying that I'm going minus k, well, we said in here that if we have a minus, that is a shift right. So I'm shifting to the right k units. So if I have x minus k squared plus 5, I can say that's a shift to the right 5 units, k units. So now I can just go to my answer choices, and I can get rid of choice 1 and choice 2. So it has to be choice 3 or choice 4. So right now you've got a 50-50 shot. Now I said that the number on the outside of my parentheses is a shift up or a shift down. If I look right here, I have a plus 5. And if I look down here, if it's a plus, that's a shift up. So I can say that I'm shifting up 5 units. Oh, I have no idea what's going on with my pencil. Shift up 5. So if I look, that's going to be choice 3, where it's k units to the right and move 5 units up. If you wanted, you could have also just graphed this on your calculator. The first thing you would graph is your parent function, x squared. And then I would put that in y1. And then I would put this in y2. The thing is, you have to make your own k value. So what I would do is I would pick a relatively small number and make it a nice number. I'm going to say k is equal to 2. So I'm going to do x minus 2 squared, and I'm going to do plus 5. I'm going to graph it. And if you look, my blue graph is my original. It was shifted to the right, and it was shifted up. The only answer choice that says shifted to the right and shifted up is choice 3. So that's your final answer.